Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Dr. Bhumika Makhuri. Here's what I bring to you all from the world of medicine. Unraveling the connection between colorectal cancer risk and steatotic liver disease. Lifestyle-related disorders have become increasingly prevalent, representing a major health crisis. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD in particular, affects over a quarter of the world's population. In addition, it is closely linked to diabetes, obesity, and metabolic disorders and constitutes a major risk for severe complications, including liver cancer and cardiovascular disease. While alcohol consumption and obesity are established risk factors for colorectal cancer, CRC, a leading cause of cancer-related morbidity and mortality, mounting evidence supports the association between NAFLD and CRC. Hence, a research team led by Dr. Takefumi Kimura from the Division of Gastroenterology, Department of Medicine, Shinshu University School of Medicine, Japan, along with Dr. Nobuharu Tamaki from Musashino Red Cross Hospital, Japan, and Dr. Shunichi Wakabaishi from Shinshu University School of Medicine, Japan, conducted a nationwide population-based study to compare the risk and incidence of CRC across patients with SLD. Their study was published online in Clinical Gastroenterology and Hepatology. The study included patients with SLD and individuals without known liver disease for comparative analysis. The incidence and risk of CRC were compared among the SLD subgroups. It was observed that 0.19% of patients were diagnosed with CRC over the 4.5-year follow-up period. In addition, the risk of CRC varied significantly among patients with SLD, with the highest CRC risk observed in patients with ALD, followed by MetALD and MASD. The study highlights differences in CRC risk across patients with different subgroups of SLD, underscoring the need for comprehensive CRC screening and risk stratification based on the new consensus-based definitions of liver disease. The differences in CRC risk across the different subgroups may be attributed to their underlying pathology and interactions with other comorbidities. Mechanistically, alcohol may trigger CRC development through the production of toxic metabolites, oxidative stress, and DNA damage. MASD NAFLD, on the other hand, is associated with increased inflammation, metabolic dysfunction, and insulin resistance, which in turn elevates the risk of CRC. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for latest update.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.